Amit, you know, green software is of interest to all companies. It has been for a while, all right? I would kind of like to understand where are we as the tech industry as a whole, all right, in that journey. Perhaps you could also speak about your own company when it comes to that. Is it enough being done right now, or do you think a long way to go?
I think it's never enough. There is always more which can be done, but I do see there is a progress happening in the industry. For example, if I look internally, I think there are two aspects. One is, let's say, technology aspect. It's very easy sometimes, to build a carbon calculator and see how much your applications are costing you. And the moment you have that, then you can have let's say different ideas. You can run an ideathon with the developers and come with the ideas and implement that and reduce your carbon footprint. It doesn't have to be a big one. It can be very simple because a lot of companies have been there in the industry for long. Look into your logs, look into your data. You can reduce data, you can reduce logs. Uh, there are multiple stuff you can do out there on the technology side. I think that's one aspect of it. Then there's another aspect which is a behavior aspect of it. It's more about how you can coach people on what green IT means. For example, it can be as simple as that. If someone is coming in an EV or someone is coming, let's say, in a bicycle, you give some rewards to them, or instead of eating meat, let's say you eat vegan. I think there also you save a lot of stuff. I think there are things which can be done like that. So that's what we do as a company, and externally, what we do, we have products which help in something like this, which you're talking about green IT. We have a product which is called Cytric, where you can find out if you're traveling, you can find out your carbon footprint, and then you can find the right option for that. Which one you want to go for? You want to go for airline or you want to go for rail and reduce your carbon footprint. Or if you're booking something, we can also tell you this is your carbon footprint. And if you want to take some option and reduce the carbon footprint through our third-party softwares. They go in and they, for example, they can plant trees. They remove carbon from the air. So there are companies like that which are doing that. So we also align with those companies and move forward with that.
Amit, let's talk a bit about cloud migration. All right, a lot of companies are doing it. A lot of companies yet to do it. Is there anything called a best strategy when it comes to cloud migration?
I think it depends where exactly you want to go with the cloud. If you're a big company, you have a lot of big data, and you don't want to get logged in. The best thing which we did was we built our own platform, which is called Platform as a Service. Through our vendor partners, of course, Kubernetes is there, Red Hat is there. Now it's being live, and we are moving our workload into cloud now. So I think that's something we have done, and I think we see out here this is helping us quite a lot.
Thank you. Thank you for taking
Pleasure.
the time.